If exercise keeps flaring your pain, then this is the step you're missing. Pain doesn't resolve in 2 stages, rest and exercise. It resolves in 3. Rest calms symptoms, but it doesn't restore trust. And exercise without trust feels threatening. I teach this as 3 stages: rest, reset, resume. And reset is where the pain actually changes. Not stretching hard, not strengthening yet. Just movement that tells your system, I'm safe again. When movement feels predictable, the system stops guarding and the pain goes away. And when guarding stops, strength actually sticks. This is why doing the right exercise at the wrong time always fails. In the next video, I'll show you exactly what reset movement looks like. Calm, predictable, and repeatable.